VMAR up 51.11% in the regular session of today, the 2nd of April 2025. There's no reason to begin to justify even higher prices higher than this intraday high of 9.53. Yet, you might say the volatility that is behind that same um, intraday high also lends to the prospects of even higher prices. Especially also because of the fact that the stock has a low float. Now has a low float. Shares outstanding is around 1.5 million. Correct me if I'm wrong. That will obviously imply that the float will be small. So if you factor in, especially the fact that it's now a low float, then we're talking about the prospects of 14.28, 19.18, 24.10. Do not bank on these prices. It's just that it is now a highly volatile stock since they have done a reverse split, and it has, in on it has been printing. Um, it's been trading, I would say, between this intraday high and around $4. Yeah, we have it here. We are 4.65. So given this sort of range, especially based on this 4 hour chart, then you can imagine that as things stand right now, it is now a highly volatile stock, and as such, high prices can print. But expect a contraction to occur. Expect a pullback to occur, which has actually happened. We have seen that at some point this $9.53 implied that it had a gain of 116%, 116%. So he has shaved a lot of that off now, shaved a lot of that out. The gain is now 47.94. So there isn't anything is suggesting that higher prices will, reoccur. Even though, of course, it's a volatile stock and now has low float, and the prospects of way more higher prices occurring is there. You know, I can't even tell you that the probability of them printing is there as well. You have to go all the way back to what? You have to go all the way back to well, I don't know. Anyway, well, in any case, the stock is in a bearish trend, and because of the reverse split, we're now seeing these incredible numbers, 300 and one, very high numbers. Well, you could say yes, that is the reason why they should. That's the reason why those sort of prices will. The probability of them printing is there. That is why. I mean, you could just say that. So let's come back to the 4 hour chart. So yeah, this is a 4 hour chart. And where can we see those projections? 14.28. Let's see now. We have to go all the way back to February. Let's see now. You have to go back all the way back to. Let's see now. Yeah, up the way back to February to find the sort of period when those sort of when 14.28 printed. You know, there isn't really anything to justify that as such. Just in case you are thinking of getting involved because of that, there's no guarantee that those will print. We have a downward projection here of 4.72. It hasn't. It actually printed at some point yesterday. Printed that sort of price, and even today as well. It was printing in the post market session. It was when it was rising. Got a pivot around there. And yeah, not a pivot. It's just yeah, it printed that because this is a 4 hour chart, so it will print there. So there's no reason to justify that higher prices will print. Rather, further retracement should be occurring. We haven't found anything behind the spike. I don't exactly know where the origins of this the stock. Um, yeah. Once again, there isn't anything to justify the prices we have mentioned now. Okay, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.